Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to color word in a text box in Google Sheets. So get it started. At first open your Google Sheets document. In this video, I will show color word in a text box. Now going to insert menu option. Now click for a drawing option. Now click for a text box, then select a character text box. Now write from a text into the text box. Now select from the text box in the word. Now going to the more option. Now select from the text color option, then NSS color. Now click for a save and close option. That's it. Then show color word in a text box in Google Sheets is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.